At Atlas Manufacturing, precision isn't just a goal, it's our standard. Our advanced robotic welding capabilities ensure every part we fabricate meets the highest levels of quality and consistency. Robotic welding allows us to deliver unmatched precision, perfect welds every time, improved efficiency, faster production for tighter timelines, enhanced durability, strong, reliable welds that exceed expectations. Whether it's a custom project or large-scale production, our robotic welding technology ensures your parts are built to perform and built to last. Discover how Atlas Manufacturing can bring your vision to life with the power of robotics. Atlas Manufacturing, precision sheet metal solutions.